I'm sad. I don't know if they're gonna fit, guys. Oh my god. These look dumb huge. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a Samaria Leah jeans update. I'm gonna tell you guys all the stress and hassle it took me to get my hands on these jeans. So it all started way back in June, from my memory of what I can remember. It all started back in June when I first saw that she had a sale. So she had a quarantine, I don't know if it was a Black Lives Matter sale, 20% off. So I already said that I was going to get these jeans from a long time ago. No matter the cost, I was bound to get my hands on these jeans no matter what. So I placed an order back in June. They did mention that it would take about a month for processing because high demand. Obviously when you purchase something in a sale, it's a small business, they're going to take a little bit long and they don't really have things on demand. So the first initial thing that I liked when I purchased these jeans, they ask you for your sizing. So they ask you for your height, what style you wanted the jeans in. So it wasn't like a random wash that they're sending you. So I wanted the light blue, my waist and my hips. So when I was doing that process, I was kind of guessing. I was taking it on a whim and kind of guessing, but I was looking at like size charts for certain places. So everyone tells me to go up a size or two with these. On the website it says go up a size or something. So I saw this girl and she said she got a size 34. So I was like, okay, maybe I'll get like a 33. She looks very close to my size. Placed the order, put all that information through. 3 months later, guys. 3 months later, they came in the mail. I was so sad because I really had plans, like a birthday outfit for these, because my birthday's in August. You would never think that it would take so long for something to come like that you ordered in the beginning of June. So I really had plans for the end of August. It came September, like a week after my birthday. So the whole momentum was kind of just like dry. So if you can see that I got ready to film and everything and try on the jeans and give you guys my initial reaction. But guys, I'm so sad. I'm really sad. So those jeans are way too big. I have to ship those back to her. They just made it big because like the jeans, it's like boot cut and it's supposed to be like a straight denim. It's really wide, not my type of jean. Like I could take it to the seamstress and make them get it fixed, but no, it's way too short. I'm just highly annoyed and sad. Tried on the jeans, they were way too big, like huge, and then they were hitched, so they were like short on my length, and then it didn't fit in the waist. It just looked crazy, and I was trying to give the jeans the benefit of the doubt and I just couldn't do it. I was like, why am I forcing myself to really just say I'm gonna take it into the tailor or just have the headache of sending it back? So I reached out to them on their returns and exchanges and like how I would go about it. So they were very diligent with handling my circumstances. So I sent them the pictures, telling them everything. Like I waited so long for these, and it's sad that when I got it, like it just didn't fucking fit. Like you guys can understand my frustration. Imagine waiting 3 months for something in the mail and it doesn't even fit you. But I kind of like blamed myself a little bit because I was taking it off of like a whim and just kind of guessing. And then also I just was like, I think that they got this wrong because the measurements just weren't adding up. Like obviously I know my height, so it was just very short, and I was like, what the fuck? Never come on here just to shame her or anything. Like I really support what she's doing. So I was happy that they reached out to me very fast in like a timely manner. They said send them back. Sent them back, and then the only downfall was when I sent them back, obviously you have to pay for international shipping because I'm here in Canada, so I had to pay like $45 for international shipping. Plus I just wanted it faster, so I said express it. Like I don't even give a fuck at this point. I just want the jeans because when they didn't fit, and like my mom's like, when are you gonna get them again? Christmas? If it waited another 3 months or something. So they said that the processing time was going to be a little bit faster because of my circumstances. So they do have a one-time exchange policy. I was able to exchange them. And then I reached out to the team and I told them my adjusted sizes now. Like, I don't know what it was, but I still gave them the same exact kind of measurements. Like, I made sure to tell them that I have skinny ankles, like my waist is small, but I have big hips. I'm usually like a 6 and an 8 in Zara, so I don't know 33. Like, I get all my Levi's, I get them thrifted. So it's usually men's, like 31s or 32s or something like that. It's something large, but I get them taken in, so I never really know my real size with Levi's. I reached out to them maybe like 2 weeks ago, and then I was like, hey, did you guys receive my order? Like, did you guys receive it in LA? Because I had to ship it back to LA. So they sent me an email saying, yeah, we received it, we're processing it right now, and you should see updates very soon. So I don't know if that me sending them that email fastened up the process or not, because in that same week that I sent them that email, I got a confirmation that it's on its way, it's shipping, and it was a size 31 that they sent me. So I was like, okay, 31 seems a little bit reasonable than 33, and they must have just looked into the quiz that I took. So I had high hopes for them. I recently got them 2 days ago. The only thing they shipped with DHL charges duties when it's international. So companies that ship with DHL, of course, we get our items faster. This is just like my problem that I always have with StockX. I always have to pay a duty. So at this point, I think I spent maybe like $400 on these jeans. No cap. Like, I think I spent, like, because you're shipping it back, $45. Then I had to pay $57 DHL for them to accept it through customs. At this point, I'm just like, bruh, can I get a break? Like, but this is the thing, the downfall that comes with ordering online and you're located here in Canada. Like, is Canada like a foreign country or something? Like, I don't get it. I don't know why DHL is like charging us for international. It's so annoying. I know we're 2 different countries completely, but this shit is getting annoying. So I got them 2 days ago, and I'm so excited about them. Oh, okay, let me show you guys. Okay. So it comes in like this silver packaging. You guys are not going to see. So yeah, it comes in this pretty silver packaging. And then if you take it out, it's in a nice garment bag that says Samaria Leah in her logo. And these are it. So this is what I'm here for, honey. This cut in the back is a jeans, period. Like, I know she's the GOAT for this. Nobody came up with these jeans concept. She was the first one. Like, she's the GOAT for this shit. Like, it fits so fire, and I like the way that they already did like some little splits in them, so the cutting is gonna get a little bit more stronger. Yeah, so like even when I try them on and I bend over a little bit, I got a little rip in it. It has like a nice SL here. I know that she's doing a little bit more logoing here. I didn't get that version. I got the light blue wash, and it comes right down to the crotch with like the Samaria tag in here. The last time it was very weird on the bum, like, and it didn't, like, it wasn't tight on my waist. My ass, oh my god, these look so cute on my bum. Wait, oh my god, it's the lace up for me. It's the lace up on the bum for me. You guys see the vibe. This is why you guys see it. So cute, so cute. When I tell you, these jeans, they're worth every penny that I paid for. I know people probably like, you can make these jeans yourself. I'm not that creative, and I want to continue to support her and black businesses, period, because I like what they're doing and they're putting effort into their quality. Of course, it's all shipping problems and things that she can't control. So I'm really grateful that I got my hands on these. The outfit I have in my head, I don't even think you guys are prepared for this outfit. Like, I'm not even prepared for this outfit. So when I tell you I manifested these jeans with the bag and the shoes, everything, this is why. I waited about 5 months for this look to be created in my head. I want something, I want it, and you guys know this. I'm determined as hell. When I want something, I want it. Like, now. So I'm happy I got my hands on my Samaria Leah jeans. If you guys are ordering, just be mindful to just do all the corrections. Size quiz, just make sure to just be sure that the size quiz that you're doing it correctly, choosing the right size and length and stuff like that, and I think you should be fine. And if you want to send them a little next email, just because when you place your order, if you're not sure, send them pictures of your body and stuff like that. Just really go into detail so you don't have to go into a problem like I did. You wear this a lot because a girl paid a pretty penny for these, and these are my favorite Levi's. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys give Samaria Leah jeans a chance, like I did. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe to my channel and see how I rock the Samaria Leah jeans. Thank you guys for watching.